Welcome to Royal Carpet Restorations, where heritage is reborn. In this video, witness the transformation of a 100% authentic Amritsar jail wool carpet, nearly a century old. Once threadbare and faded, this royal piece was brought back to life by our master artisans. Because to us, every carpet is more than fabric. It's a story waiting to be told again. Then begins the heart of the restoration, hand and needle reweaving. Our expert artisans, each with over 30 years of experience, meticulously restore missing sections knot by knot, using traditional weaving techniques and perfectly matched wool. It's a process that requires precision, patience, and a deep understanding of the original design. Next, we carefully trimmed and leveled the pile, restoring its softness, shape, and elegance. A true luxury finish. With the restoration complete, our experts carry out a thorough inspection and structural reinforcement, ensuring the carpet is not just beautiful, but built to last for generations. Edges are stabilized, seams are secured, and the foundation is strengthened to preserve its integrity long into the future. Because at Royal Carpet Restorations, this isn't just restoration. It's the preservation of culture, craftsmanship, and legacy. Every carpet we restore carries a story, and we make sure it's never forgotten. Thank you, Royal Carpet Restorations.